Welcome to this lecture video. In this video, I am going to discuss about problems on oscillations and waves, which comes under module 1 of engineering physics prescribed by VTU. So here I am going to discuss about the following problems. A 20-gram oscillator with a natural frequency 10 radians per second is vibrating in damping medium. The damping force is proportional to the velocity of the vibrator. If the damping coefficient is 0.17, how does the oscillator decays? So here the given data is M is 200 grams, that is 20 to 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Omega is equal to 10 radians per second and R is equal to 0.17. And what is the type of damping here? So using the formula B is equal to R by 2M, we can calculate the value of B as, that is 0.17 by 2 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is equal to 4.25, and hence B square is equal to 18.06. Also omega square is equal to 10 square, that is equal to 100. Thus here the value of B square is less than omega square, which satisfies the condition for underdamping. As a result, the oscillation's amplitude decreases with time. So this is what the observation made here. A mass of 4.3 gram is attached to a spring of constant 17 Newton per meter. This mass spring system is executing simple harmonic motion. Find the frequency of the external force which excites resonance in the system. Ignore the mass of the spring. Given M is equal to 4.3 gram or M is equal to 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg and K is equal to 17 Newton per meter. We know that omega is equal to square root of K by M, or omega is equal to 2 pi mu. Therefore, mu is equal to 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M. So substitute the values, that is 1 by 2 pi into square root of 17 by 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 3. On simplification, the value of mu is equal to 10.007 Hertz. That's what the frequency. A mass of 0.5 kg causes an extension of 0.03 meter in a spring and the system is set for oscillations. Find the force constant for the spring, angular frequency and time period of the resulting oscillation. Here the value of given x is 0.03 m and m is equal to 0.5 kg. So what is the value of k, omega and t? And the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. So we know the formula for k as F by m, that is mg by x. So 0.5 into 9.8 by 0.03. So on simplification, the value of k is equal to 163.3 Newton per meter. And we know that omega is equal to square root of K by M or square root of 163.3 by 0.5, that is equal to 18.07 radians per second. So this is what the value of omega. And further we know the period t is equal to 2 pi by omega. So that is equal to 2 pi by 18.07. On simplification, the value of t is equal to 0.3477 seconds. Find the frequency of oscillations of a free particle executing simple harmonic motion of amplitude 0.35 meter if the maximum velocity it can attain is 220 meter per second. Here the given data is A is equal to 0.35 meter and mu max is 220 meter per second. So what is the value of frequency? So we know that omega is equal to mu max by A and omega is equal to 2 pi mu. So the velocity V is given by V max, that is mu max by 2 pi A. So 220 by 2 pi into 0.35. On simplification, we will get mu as 100.04 Hertz or 100 Hertz. So here we are going to calculate the frequency, that's what mu that we are calculating. So here given data is 0.35, that is A is equal to 0.35 meter and the maximum velocity, that is Vmax, is 220 meter per second, and we have to calculate the frequency mu. So omega is equal to Vmax, that is mu max, that is Vmax by A, and omega is equal to 2 pi mu. So mu is nothing but mu max, that is Vmax by 2 pi A, that is 220 by 2 pi into 0.35. So on simplification, the value of frequency is equal to 100 Hz. Evaluate the resonance frequency of a spring of force constant 2467 Newton per meter carrying a mass of 100 grams. So the value of K given as 2467 Newton per meter, and the value of M is 100 grams, that is 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So what is the frequency mu? We know that omega is equal to square root of K by M, and omega is equal to 2 pi mu. So mu is given by 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M, that's equal to 1 by 2 pi into square root of 2467 by 100 into 10 to the power minus 3. On simplification, the value of mu is equal to 24.998 Hz, or it is equivalent to 25 Hz. A tuning fork has a frequency, that is natural frequency, of about 512 Hz. A periodic force per unit mass is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per kg acts on it. Calculate the maximum amplitude attained by the tuning fork if the damping per unit mass is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 radians per second. So here given data is F by M is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per kg, and frequency mu is equal to 512 Hz, and 2B is equal to R by M, that's equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 radians per second. So what is A max? So we know that A max is equal to F by M by 2B omega, or that is equal to F by M 2B into 2 pi mu. So substitute the value of F by M, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 2 pi into 512. So on simplification, we will get A max is equal to 7.77 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter, or which is equal to 0.777 millimeter. A vibrating system of natural frequency 640 cycles per second is forced to vibrate with a periodic force per unit mass of amplitude 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per kg in the presence of damping per unit mass of 0.001. Calculate the maximum amplitude of vibration of the system. So here the frequency given as 640 cycles per second, and F by M is 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per kg, and 2B is equal to R by M, that is 0.001. And what is the value of A max? So we know that A max is equal to F by M by 2B omega. So substitute the value of F by M and 2B and 2 pi mu. So it is observed that in place of mu we have to substitute 640. So on simplification, the value of A max is equal to 0.0124 meter, or that is equal to 0.01 meter. A free particle is executing simple harmonic motion in a straight line with a period of 25 seconds. 5 seconds after it has crossed the equilibrium point, the velocity is found to be 0.7 meter per second. Find the displacement at the end of 10 seconds and also the amplitude of oscillation. Given t is equal to 25 and mu1 is equal to 0.7 meter per second and t1 is equal to 5 seconds. So what is the value of A, x, and at t2 is equal to 10 seconds. So using the formula, we know that mu is equal to A omega cos omega t, and omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Further, A is equal to Vt by 2 pi into cos 2 pi by t into t. So by substituting the values, we will get the value of A as 9.013 meter, and the value of x is equal to A sin omega t, that is nothing but 10 sin 2 pi by 25 into 10. On simplification, the value of x is 5.2978 meter, or which is equivalent to 5.3 meter. A tuning fork has a natural frequency of 512 Hz. The periodic force per unit mass is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton per kg acts on it. Calculate the maximum amplitude attained by the fork if the damping per unit mass is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 radians per second. So here the given data is F by m is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per kg, and the value of frequency mu is equal to 512 Hz, and 2b is equal to R by m, that is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 radians per second. And what is the value of Amax? So we know that Amax is equal to F by m by 2b omega, or F by m by 2b in place of mu substitute 2 pi mu. So substitute the value of F by m as 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 2 pi. In place of mu substitute 512. So on simplification we will get 7.77 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter, or Amax is equal to 0.777 millimeter. That's what the value.